How to change your all-in-one Epson Expression Home XP-430 firmware to the Chipless. This procedure is going to make your printer able to print non-stop without ink levels reset needed. You will need a laptop or personal computer working on Windows operating system, USB cable, an activation key, and 2 software applications, INKCHIP firmware and INKCHIP activation. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and plug it into a wall outlet, but don't start a power on. Connect a USB cable to the USB port on the rear of the printer, and then to the computer. To enter the firmware changing mode, press the button combination Cancel, Left, Home, and Power. In 5 seconds, a message will appear on the printer LCD screen. Launch INKCHIP firmware application on your computer and click Next following the guide. An unknown device and firmware will appear. Select the device and firmware. Click the Start button. Click Yes. The firmware changing process will start. This might take several minutes. When the process is complete, you will see the finished message. Click OK. After that, the printer will turn off. Turn the printer on and launch INKCHIP activation application on your computer. Select the printer and click Activate Online. Enter the activation key and click OK. Save the recovery code in case you update the firmware. If you ever need to recover the Chipless firmware, you'll need the code again. To avoid air bubbles getting in the printhead, you should run the printer with the Chipless firmware only when the CISS is installed and filled with inks. Never update the printer's firmware. Otherwise, it will reset to default settings, so you will need to recover the Chipless firmware. Follow the link below in the video description to download free applications, INKCHIP firmware, and INKCHIP activation. You can buy an activation key on website inkchip.net. Wishing you good prints.